Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to learn Fihl. So we already learned ism completed. Then we learned harf, some of harf. Then Fihl. So in Quran, as for our first lesson, or any word in the Quran, it can be a Fihl, it can be ism, it can be harf. One of these three. So we're gonna go into the topic Fihl. So Fihl, first thing that we're gonna learn is Fihl past tense. Okay. So so in Arabic, we uh, we call fi'l madi. Fi'l madi mean past tense fi'l. Madi mean past tense fi'l. Okay, how we gonna learn is a little bit different approach. So in Arabic, normally, if you see one word of fi'l, it becomes a sentence. So example, we're gonna use the word nasara. So if you take nasara, meaning of nasara is he helped. He helped past tense. So that means it's a complete sentence. If you it is looks like a one word, nasara is look like a one word, but the meaning is he helped. The he word, he pronouns is embedded inside the nasara. How to find the he is the ending sound. Ending sound. Looking at the ending sound, you can say what word is embedded inside that fi'l. So example here, nasara, you can see in red color, the ra is in red color and fatha is there. So if we see this ending in a ism, that means it is he. That means he. So nasara simple meaning is helping. So nasara mean in this pattern, the ra pattern is he helped. So if you see in the Quran, nasara, that means he helped. So then uh, next one is nasara. Nasara mean both of them helped, because that ra will make it he into two people. So like huwa huma, like that. Nasara is huwa, nasara is huma, and nasaru is whom. That means they helped. If you see nasaru, that means they help. So for easy memorization, so how we gonna memorize this is like huwa nasara, huma nasara, hum nasaru. That's how we're gonna memorize. That doesn't mean you have to say huwa nasara. The nasara itself meaning he helped, but to remember that we will say the word huwa nasara. So when you hear the nasara, okay, that means huwa, that means he helped. That's how you remember this. So first of all, to do this exercise, you need to memorize the pronouns. There is no way, as I said, there is no way can study the ism, sorry, study the fi'l without studying the pronouns. So you have to remember the pronoun, that is huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. So same way, we're gonna use the word nasara, then we're gonna memorize this chart using the pronoun chart. Okay, then say with me, huwa nasara, huma nasara, hum nasaru, hiya nasarat, huma nasarata, hunna nasarna, anta nasarta, antuma nasartuma, antum nasartum, anti nasarti, antuma nasartuma, antunna nasartunna, ana nasartu, nahnu nasarna. هو نصر وما نصرهم نصر هي نصرت وما نصرتا هن نصرنا أنت نصرت أنتم نصرتما أنتم نصرتم أنتِ نصرتِ أنتم نصرتما أنتن نصرتن أنا نصرت نحن نصرنا. That's the way you should memorize this. So we'll go through the meaning quickly. Huwa nasara, that means nasara mean he helped. Nasara mean both of them help. Nasaru mean they helped. Nasarat, here Nasarat, right? So she helped. Nasarata mean uh, both of them, actually, that is she, both of them she, or both of she helped. There is no word in English. Nasarna mean they, the female, all these ladies, they helped. Then nasarta, anta nasarta, see, anta nasarta. Nasarta mean then you helped. Nasartuma, you both helped. Nasartum, antum nasartum, right? Antum mean you all. Antum nasartum. So nasartum mean you all helped. Nasarti mean you, she. Actually, you feminine helped. Nasartuma, you two feminine help. You both two feminine help. Nasartunna, you all female helped. Nasartu, I helped. Nasarna, we helped. So if you see two sound at end, that means I helped. Na sound at end, that means we helped. So this is a very simple concept. You can apply any fihl in the same pattern and you can understand the meaning. Say example, I will use laraba. Okay, laraba mean hit, meaning is hit. So huwa laraba, that means he hit. Huwa laraba, hum larabu, hiya larabat, huma larabata, hunna larabna, anta larabta, anta larabta. Larabta mean you hit. Antuma larabtuma, antum larabtum, anti larabti, antuma larabtuma, antuma larabtuma, antunna larabtunna, ana larabtu, nahnu larabna. Same pattern. So you can also say abada. Abada mean worship. So huwa abada, huma abada, hum abadu, hiya abadat, huma abadata, hunna abadna, anta abatta, antuma abattuma, antum abattum, anti abatti, antuma abattuma, antunna abattunna, ana abattu, nahnu abadna. Abadna mean we worship. We worshipped, past tense. So all these are past tense pattern. So this is a very simple lesson. So if you see the pattern, okay, then you can say losing the ending sound, you can find which pronoun is embedded, then simply translate. So if you see any of these pattern, huwa allama, huma allama, hum allamu, ya allamat, huma allamata, hunna allamna, anta allamta, antum allamtuma, antum allamtum, anti allamti, antum allamtuma, antunna allamtunna, ana allamtu, nahnu allamna. So if you take any ism, then you can translate in this format. Hope this is clear. Please do the assignment, then you will understand this concept better, inshallah. I will do one last example, that is kala. Kala mean he said. So normally 3-letter words, the actually the 3 letters for the root letters for the kala is kaula, kavala. So the thing is now say nasara, right? Kavala. Instead of kavala, they will combine these ka and va. They will say, Arab say kala. So kavala become kala. So huwa kala, huma kala, hum kalu. So huwa kala mean he said. That's why we in our Arabic you will see kala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. That we learn later. But kala mean he said. Huwa kala, huma kala, hum kalu, hiya kalat, huma kalata. When it come to hunna, it become kulna. Okay, just a little bit sort of thing, but instead of saying kalna, okay, it become kulna. Then it changed. Anta kulta, antuma kultuma, antum kultum, anti kulti, antuma kultuma, antunna kultunna, ana kultu, nahnu kulna. So kulta mean we said. Kultum mean you all said. That's the first question in the assignment. Kultum mean you all said. So it is past tense. That's how you have to translate. So it's a very easy exercise. So do this assignment, then you will understand this concept better, inshallah.